What if I told you there are AI websites no one is talking about that could help you start making money online with zero skills? In this video, I'll show you 5 unique AI tools that automate real work from video creation to resume building and how you can turn them into real cash from home. Number 1, that just stockimg.ai plus Gumroad equals passive design income. Ever wish you could sell stock images or graphics, but you can't design? Stockimg.ai generates logos, posters, illustrations, and more with one prompt. No Photoshop skills needed. Go to stockimg.ai and type a niche like retro gaming YouTube logo. Choose your favorite design though, download. Bundle 10 to 15 images, upload them to gumroad.com or Creative Fabrica as a starter logo pack. Real potential, $5 to $25 per download. Bonus tip, use viral niches like crypto, fitness, or travel. Number 2, that's Rezi AI plus Fiverr equals AI resume gig. People pay tons for resume help. With Rezi.ai, you can instantly generate ATS-friendly resumes and charge for it on freelance platforms. Head to Rezi.ai, create a free account, paste in the client's job description and old resume. Click optimize, and boom, ready to send resume. Offer AI resume optimization gigs on Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook groups. Real potential, $25 to $100 per gig. Pro tip, offer fast 24-hour delivery for more orders. Number 3, that's papercup.com plus TikTok/YouTube equals AI translation money. Want to make money from translated content? Use papercup.com. It turns English videos into Spanish, Hindi, Arabic voiceovers with realistic AI dubbing. Go to papercup.com, upload popular CC licensed English videos, translate to a high demand language like Spanish, re-upload on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, monetize with affiliate links or build a multilingual channel. Real potential, $100 to $500 per month from multilingual niches. Bonus tip, use health, finance, or kids content then high RPM. Number 4, that's even show you fact that puzzlewiz.io plus Etsy equals AI puzzle printables. This one's weird, but people love it. Puzzlewiz.io uses AI to generate puzzles, Sudoku, mazes, word searches, perfect for selling on Etsy as printable books. Visit puzzlewiz.io, choose puzzle type, crossword, math, maze. Download 10 to 20 pages life, bundle into a PDF and upload to Etsy. Price lead at $4.99 to $9.99 as a printable activity book. Real potential, $300 to $1,000 per month. Pro tip, focus on kids, teachers, and therapy niches. Number 5, that's Yepic.ai plus B2B emails equals AI talking head generator. Want to offer video content without showing your face? Yepic.ai creates talking head videos using just text and an avatar. Perfect for creating explainer videos for businesses. Go to Yepic.ai, choose a presenter/avatar and background, paste in business scripts or ad copy. Export the video offer. AI video ad creation on LinkedIn, local business forums, or Fiverr. Real potential, $50 to $200 per 30-second video. Bonus, reach out to small businesses with cold emails offering affordable ads. So there you have it, 5 underrated AI websites that are making people real money online without using ChatGPT or needing any special skills.